We're gonna make check the box. Yes, but check the box is more than one. But more than one. She adjusted to. There is data in the table, yes friends? If the data is like this, yes, the list of those subjects is 5 in the table. Then she'll show 5, yeah, like that. So we're gonna input later the data. By using the checkbox, YA friends. Yes, I just exemplify it directly. Yes, for example, I made the class, it was 7A. Then, I choose Indonesian. I tick Indonesian, then mathematics, yes. Then I click the submitters button, yeah. Then here, thank you for choosing the subject code, yes. Then here we'll later go inside. Database exactly in the class table, yes. Then he will enter that we inputted, which is class is 7A, then subject code MP001 and MP002. What subjects, MP? Guys can see, in the subjects that I've indeed, this is him. Like that, yeah. So in that subject there are 5 yes data. Then check the box, here will appear as much as 5. Okay, next, if I wish I made its class 7A, then still I choose. Indonesian language is equally mathematical, then I submit. Then she 1T increase, yeah guys? If friends see its class, he still yes. Why keep? Because the subject code is the same. Then the class is the same. Like that, that's why he keeps. But if for example, let's try. The classes are different. For example, I made 7B. Then my subject. Differentiate IPA and English. Then I submit. He came in like this is the message. And in the class table, the data will also increase. Like this, yeah guys? So we're going to be using checkbox based on how much data there is in the table. If the 5 data checkbox will be displayed as many as 5. Like the one before, yeah, this in the subject. Check the box, there are 5. Then, it is displayed. I mean in the subject. There are 5 data, then check the box will also be displayed as much as 5. Like this. Okay, now we do it. Like this. How to? Keep following this video, guys. Well, now guys can make a database named LATPHP. How to create a database can be seen in my previous video tutorial. Then we do 2 tables, namely classes and subjects. For its column, for class. I mean for the subjects first, yes, subjects, guys can see. Structure is there, is a code. Subjects and subject names, which is used as the primary key, is code subjects, guys. Then there's class, yeah? Class friends can see the structure, which is the subject code and class name. This is the name of the class. We try to make primary too, yeah. Yes, yeah. Okay, apparently you can't. Because there's already a primary still there, yeah data, yeah? Let's delete the data in class first. Because the data is still there, we delete. Check delete, yeah. Because the data is there. So it can't be made unique. But I think if we make it unique, the name of the class will not be the same. The subject code. If the name of the class will be same, he collided, later cannot save. So the name of the class doesn't have to be unique. Let the class name be like this. Subject code given primary key. Okay. Next. After we give it like that, then we'll get ready to make the script. Or we men coding, yeah friends. Yeah, we coding slow, yeah. The first one we create a file is the form_pelajaran.php. Then the second is the process_pelajaran.php. But before you have to create a config folder. Yes, in this config folder, there will be a connection folder. I do this a lot in my videos. Previously, see in my video how to make a connection, yeah friends. Next we go to the form _PELAJARAN.PHP. We're going to be coding form pelajaran PHP. We make for example like this, yeah. Next up there there is a form method. Form method is post. Then the action we go where to the process _student.php. Okay, next, can we? Okay, next we make, again, that is there enter the class. It was put in it class. Enter the class. We create input type. Okay, after class, later. Of course, we will make a list of subjects, which will be displayed. Taken from the table. Yes, table subjects or table M. Then we make here a list. Subjects. Let's do it like that. Then we enter. Enter like that. Then we do. It's PHP command. Then we include it, right? Include the connection. Which is config, yes, because are in the config folder, konekc.php. Okay, like that. Then there's $query. $query. MP, the name of the table. Okay, like that. Then try to show. But let's make a number first, starting from 1, yeah. Because then we show. Like that, yeah. We show there later the data from the table. MP, yes, we show in the form of checkbox. That's the name we made, for example, MP. Based on code, codemp, we check again, right? No MP code. In MP, yes, this subject codemp means here, codemp. Let's do it like this. That are shown that the subject, not the code. But later, that's the code. That means we show. Here, try to check. No momp. Name. Okay, like that. Then don't forget, we press Ctrl+S to save it. Well, now, we add. Let it automatically increase the number. If we check this, let's check this one out. Forum pelajaran PHP. There is an error. Where is the error? Oh, in line 9 ya. This is not $koneksi, but $konik. Well, it showed up and it worked. Well, it has appeared. Now the button we make ya. The button first. Below, we make. Here we make a button. Okay, we'll see the results first. Well, here, we have to make it again, yeah, friends. Yes, we have to do it here. Which is input. But we're hidden. But I pop first. For a while, input the type, I just make the text first. Yeah, just the name. For example, I made it was a jump. Number of subjects. Value that I made this. Value, I give the value. Like that. We save by pressing Ctrl+S. Okay, well here. Let's enter first. Let's not unite. We enter 2 times. Like this. This can be 5. That's how he adjusted the data. Here are 5. There are 5 checkbooks. That's due to $no minus 1. $no will always add 1. Increase by 1. So if, for example, 12,345, jal, always add 1 starting from 1. This should be 23,456. It's like that. So 6, so he stays 5, according to this. Then, minus 1 like that. That's why it's 5. The data, because this $no starts from 1. Well, that's why I'll be here later. Checkbox is 23,456. 6 minus 1 equals 5. So 5 then, minus 1. Okay. If $no equals 0, it will be 4, my friends, press Ctrl+S. See the result? Save? Yes, it will be for because it starts at 0. 1. 23, 4. So that's 4 of them. If this is removed, the other Let's see. Is 5 just so 5? So he yes. So 5. It is. Starting from 0.01, 2, 3, 4. But if not, minus 1 means he is still 5. Like that, yeah. Okay, this minus 1 only. This we start from 1. 1, yes, Ctrl+S. Already. Next step, guys, can make. There is action here. To process pelajaran PHP file, we have to make a file. Name process pelajaran PHP. This is the file. New here, we make a script. Yes. Script to process it. Okay, we make the script. Yeah. Well, here I am. Mananani area, error reporting no. I used to do it like that. Okay then, they're in enter. We connect to his database. Okay, next we're gonna take the one here. Well, this is because we will later input ya class. Means we want to save the class too. Means we make here $class. That from where? From the name, yes. Name from here. Here it is, because I want to input this later class. Yes. Then we take the nim by using post. Which one else do we want to take? Next, we want take the checkbox. Yeah. Check the box that I named. This we want to take. Check this box. This is my hidden first. My friends already understand. I hidden it to make it look good. This later lost, but it's actually still there. Just in hidden, just missing, right? So I took that earlier. Yeah. Means here, I take a jump. Means here, $JUMMP. Next there we do the repetition, yes. It starts from one. Like this, yeah. So yes, we take from the amount, yes. The interval is yes. That's why I took the jump. Next, I do it. Mata pelajaran that I took from from here, I take this. That was from which of his checkbox name, code name, Kode mata pelajaran. But the name of the subject is shown here. But what is stored will be coded later, not the name of the subject. The code? This is the proof here that the value is stored. Its value. Its name is this one. That's why I made it here post. So yeah, post. Then I type imp. From here means later here. $I. Well, that's how to make it, yeah? $I. Well, already. After so, we go and do if, yeah. It means that if we choose, check the box, it means that the if-nia is not empty. Not empty means we select the checkbox. We select the box check. This is it. We are not empty means we choose the checkbox. Check which box? Checkbox that $M. Means check the box we choose, yeah, friends. Then there. Like this. For we're going to be inputted. To which table? To the class table, we input not mata pelajaran in. Let's see. Just make sure. Nama Kelis. In his database, that's the one in parentheses. This is a column from the table. Could here type code imp. Where do we take it from? That's right. Means we take it from here. $kelis. Because we want to save the kelis. Here, type in $kelis. What else do we want to keep? Means that we choose the checkbox. Checkbox that we choose what? Don't get me wrong, guys. This is $MP. Not the $JUMMP. Because $JUMMP for the repetition, the one we take anyway. This one is $MP. There we make $MP like this. Okay then, here's another cap, the brackets. There to close these brackets yet, yeah. Okay, we close the brackets again here. Oh, already there. Sorry, I didn't see it just now. Semicolon. Once in the semicolon, then here, make a message, like this. Well, now we try Let's see the check. Well, now we choose, we want to make, for example, 7B. This is Indonesian and made. I choose later enter. This kelis is 7B. Here later, he entered 7B. Indonesian code and Mathematika code. Try to keep. Thank you. Try to check in class. 7B is the code. That's code. Now let's try to make the different 7B, but IPA and Bahasa Inggris. Save OK here. Well, enter it. IPA and Bahasa Inggris. MP003 is IP. See in MP table. MP003 is IP. MP004. That's why in that class shown it's the code. Ah, yeah, the code that I said earlier. Value was my friends here. Ah, this is the value that is displayed instead of this one. Even later. In the appearance it appears name. But what was saved was even. Its value is cut. Okay, I think that's enough of my explanation, guys. I hope this tutorial is useful. Thank you.